Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Turn off power at the breaker and label the circuit before touching any wires. Use a non-contact voltage tester and confirm 0 volts on all fan wires. Gather tools, screwdriver set, wire strippers, needle nose pliers, wire nuts, and electrical tape. Work in daylight or strong lamplight and wear safety glasses and gloves. If the fan is mounted on a ceiling, have a helper steady the fan during removal. Document wire colors and positions with a photo before disconnecting anything for easier reassembly. Remove fan canopy and check the wiring harness for loose or corroded terminals. Look for frayed insulation, melted connectors, or burn marks near the switch or motor. Test continuity between fan motor leads and switched hot using a multimeter set to ohms. If you find a broken wire, cut back to clean copper and strip 1/4 inch of insulation. Replace damaged wire with 14 AWG stranded copper for standard household fans when required. Label each wire with tape and a marker. Reconnect matching colors, black to black for hot, white to white for neutral, and green to ground. Use twist-on wire nut-sized for 2 or 3 14 AWG wires and secure with tape. Tighten terminal screws to manufacturer torque or snugly with a screwdriver. Do not over-tighten. Restore power at the breaker and test fan speeds and light function with a remote or wall switch. If the fan hums or fails, turn power off and verify motor capacitor and switches for faults. Reinstall canopy, balance blades if wobble persists, and tighten blade screws to prevent vibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.